Okay, so write in reduced radical form. So first we need to look at what operation we're dealing with here. We're dealing with multiplication, right? So we are going to use product. Product means multiplication. Product property of radicals. Okay, because it says radicals. We have radicals here. Okay, first things first, let's note numbers. We have 3. That is outside of the radical, so I'm going to take it outside in the side. So I'm not dealing with it. Okay. So now let's, by the product property of radicals, I can combine everything into one radical. So let's write it. So my index is 2, by the way, because it's not there. Let's just write that. Index is 2. So x to the 5th, y to the 5th power times 2 x to the 7, y 6. Okay, again, I want to move this number that doesn't have a variable in the front. Since it's still inside the radical symbol, you keep it inside the radical symbol. Okay, so we have 3 square root of 2, use different color, x to the 5th, y to the 5th, and x to the 7, y to the 6th. Okay, this is why properties of exponents is very important. Here we have x and x. Here we have the same base. Okay, we have the same base and it's multiplication. And here we also have the same base and we're multiplying. Okay, so let's rewrite this again. So we have x to the 5th plus 7, which is x to the 12. And we have y to the 5 plus 6 equals y to the 11. Okay, this is true by product of powers. Okay, this is product of powers. So let's replace my x's and my y's. So I have 3 times the square root of 2 square root of 2 x to the 12, sorry, x to the 12, and y to the 11. Okay. My index is 2, right? So remind ourselves that my index is 2. Okay. So that means I want to separate my exponents into 2's. So I have 3 times 2. Okay. How many times can 2 go to 12? 6 times. So I have to write x squared 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2 go to 11 5 times. So y squared, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have 1 y left over, right? So then I separate these. Or we can just cancel them out. Okay, so since my index is 2, I can cancel out with every one of the ones that have an exponent of 2. So I am left with 3 times x. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X to the 6th power times y to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have the leftovers. Leftovers 2 and y. They stay inside the radical symbol. They stay inside the radical symbol. 2y. That's why our answer is this.